Namaste and welcome.
Namaste and welcome.
In today's video, we will take a different approach to learning Hindi. We will learn Hindi from English news. I have news headlines from this month in English like this. I will translate them in Hindi and will tell you the meaning and pronunciation of individual words and phrases in Hindi. This will help you learn common everyday Hindi. But before we start, please subscribe to my channel, and after watching this video, check out some of my other videos. Let's start. Headline number 1. NASA's rover lands on Mars.
नासा का रोवर मंगल ग्रह पर उतरा.
Now let's break down the headline into words and see the Hindi translation for individual word. Here you see NASA and rover are in yellow because they are names and they will stay the same in English and Hindi.
The first word is NASA's, which is equivalent to rover of NASA. The word of translates in Hindi to ka, and since everything in Hindi is assigned a gender, in this case it is assigned a masculine gender, hence called ka.
The next word is lands. Uttara. Uttara.
On translates to par. Par.
Mars in Hindi is called Mangal. Mangal.
Planet in Hindi is Grah. The reason why we are attaching Grah here is because Mangal by itself may mean other things as well. So Mangal Grah establishes it as Mars, the planet.
Now let us put all these words together and see the translation. So for this headline, the translation will be NASA का रोवर मंगल ग्रह पर उतरा.
नासा का रोवर मंगल ग्रह पर उतरा.
Headline number 2. Mario Draghi is Italy's new Prime Minister.
मारियो ड्रागी इटली के नए प्रधानमंत्री हैं.
Here again you can see Mario Draghi and Italy's are in yellow because again they are names and they will stay the same in both languages.
Italy's translates to Italy K. This is because it is a bit more formal, so we are using K. Previously we used Ka. Italy K.
New is Nae. Again, this is the formal version. Nae.
Prime Minister translates to Pradhan Mantri. Pradhan Mantri.
So this headline in Hindi will become Mario Draghi इटली के नए प्रधानमंत्री हैं.
मारियो ड्रागी इटली के नए प्रधानमंत्री हैं.
Headline number 3. Vaccine becomes mandatory in Indonesia.
इंडोनेशिया में टीका अनिवार्य हुआ.
As you can see, Indonesia will remain the same in both English and Hindi.
वैक्सीन in Hindi is tika. Tika.
Becomes in Hindi is hua. Hua.
Mandatory is anivarya. Anivarya.
In is may. May. So putting all the words together, we will get the headline, Indonesia में टीका अनिवार्य हुआ.
इंडोनेशिया में टीका अनिवार्य हुआ.
Headline number 4. By July end, everybody will get vaccine in America.
जुलाई अंत तक अमेरिका में सबको टीका मिल जाएगा.
Here, July and America will stay the same in both the languages.
The use of by here is similar to till in English, which in turn translates to tak in Hindi. Tak.
End in Hindi is ant. Ant.
Everybody is sabko. Sabko.
Will get will translate to मिल जाएगा in future. मिल जाएगा.
Vaccine, as we had mentioned earlier, is tika. Tika.
And in is may. May. So now putting together all the Hindi words together, we get the headline, जुलाई अंत तक अमेरिका में सबको टीका मिल जाएगा.
जुलाई अंत तक अमेरिका में सबको टीका मिल जाएगा.
And the last headline, headline number 5, is elementary school will open from Wednesday.
प्राथमिक विद्यालय बुधवार से खुलेंगे.
Here there are no names in this headline, so all the words will be translated into Hindi.
Elementary is prathmik. Prathmik.
Schools is vidyalay. Vidyalay.
Will open combined together into a single Hindi word, khulenge. Khulenge.
From is say. Say.
Wednesday in Hindi is budhwar. Budhwar.
So putting all the words together, we get प्राथमिक विद्यालय बुधवार से खुलेंगे.
प्राथमिक विद्यालय बुधवार से खुलेंगे.
Hope you enjoyed the headlines of this month. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.